Well, guys, this is all you're going to need for this ground ball. You're going to need some pallets. A lot of people have pallets just laying around, especially at their house. I just got some old tires. You could use a regular seat or anything like that, but I actually saw those laying over there, so I figured they'd be good to make into the ground blind. Then you just got sticks and some loose pieces of wood, all virtually free. A lot of people have this stuff at their house already. And then you can make an effective ground blind to hunt for deer.